The year is 2025, and AI is revolutionizing the world faster than we ever imagined. But here's the big question. Is AI going to take your job? Or can we turn this disruption into opportunity? Stay tuned to discover the answers. Imagine this. AI can process millions of data points in just seconds, something that would take humans days, or even weeks. AI-powered chatbots now respond to customer queries 24/7 without breaking a sweat, and algorithms can analyze financial data 100 times faster than us. Jobs in data entry, manufacturing, and even customer support are shifting toward automation. By 2025, experts predict AI could replace up to 30% of repetitive roles. But don't hit the panic button yet. There's more to this story. Are you studying basic programming or graphic design? These fields are seeing massive disruption. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva are making routine tasks easier and faster. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Fields that demand creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking remain resilient. So, as you choose your learning path, aim for courses that teach you to innovate, adapt, and lead. That's where the future lies. AI might be fast, but it can't feel, empathize, or dream the way humans can. Overcoming AI isn't about outpacing it, it's about leveraging what makes us unique. Develop skills like problem solving, communication, and adaptability. These human qualities will always be in demand, no matter how advanced technology becomes. Remember, while AI can analyze, it takes a human mind to empathize and lead. The key to thriving in an AI-driven world is collaboration. Instead of competing with AI, learn to work alongside it. Master tools that enhance your capabilities, whether it's automating repetitive tasks or gaining insights from data. Want to go even further? Get ahead by specializing in AI ethics, implementation strategies, and troubleshooting. When you're the expert who understands both the technology and its human impact, you'll always stay ahead of the curve. AI isn't your competition, it's your partner. Use ChatGPT to write compelling content, Canva to create stunning visuals, and Power BI to uncover hidden trends in data. These tools can supercharge your efficiency and creativity. The secret? Let AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on what you do best. Thinking big, making connections, and driving impact. AI is not the end of jobs, it's the beginning of new opportunities. The future belongs to those who embrace change, stay curious, and use AI to unlock their potential. So, are you ready to take the leap? Subscribe now to stay ahead in the AI era. Subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of work.